this video, we'll look at the process for installing the rectangular clamp onto this stroller. Now the rectangular clamp comes in two varieties. There's the small rectangular clamp and the large rectangular clamp that fit different size tubes. For this stroller, I'll be using the small clamp because I can fit the full rectangular tube between the two bolts. If this tubing were thicker and didn't fit, I would use the large rectangular clamp because there's more room. These also come with different length bolts. So you'll want to find the bolts that allow your clamp to fit fully around the rectangular tubing that you're installing to. So to start, for this small rectangular one, I'll just remove the bolts that are in the clamp. There's two threaded holes on the back side or the underside of the clamp. We need to align that with two of the recessed holes on the outer side of the clamp. Now the best way to do this is align these holes to the left and right of your tube, or if you're running a horizontal tube, you'll want to align them to the top and bottom, but in this case with a vertical tube, I'll have them on either side of that tube. Now with the outer piece, there's two holes in here that don't go all the way through. Those are for the rot lock or rotation lock. So what we want to do is we want to align those to the top and bottom. So if we think of this one as 12 o'clock and the one at the bottom is 6 o'clock, our bolt will go through at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Or if you want to think about it as a compass, north and south go along the post, west and east will get the bolts. And that will make sure that these align and are able to thread in nice and easy. So we'll just get those tightened up a little bit so we still have a little bit of slack here. And then we're going to just turn this forward so that the bolts rest against the tubing. Once you add the weight of the tubes and the device, it's going to naturally want to rotate that way anyway. So this will hold it in place and stop it from rotating on you over time and moving the device out of position. With that all in place, I'll now fully tighten the two bolts. Once that's all tightened, you're ready to continue with the rest of your installation.